session. Today we will be having the measures of central tendency or measures of average for ungrouped data. The mean, the median, and the mode. Now to start with, let's define first what's a measure of central tendency. A measure of central tendency is a single value that attempts to describe a set of data by identifying the central position within the set of data. When I say set of data, for example, if you'll be considering all your grades in the third quarter, o katong grades ninyo sa third quarter sa tanang subjects, that is a set of data. Now, if I'm going to be considering, for example, I have given you a quizzes activity, I will be listing all the scores there. All your scores, o katong scores ninyo, that is a set of data. So take note of that. If I will be identifying the central position sa set of data, that is what you call the measure of central tendency. Another name for the measure of central tendency, you also call this as the measure of central location or the measure of average. Now, let's analyze these pictures. Describe the first picture. Anyone? What have you noticed with picture number 1? Describe them. Section Zircon, are you with me? What description can you give about the first picture there? Okay, very good. Employees probably in a restaurant. So the employees are manager, chef, cashier, duha ka buok, and 3 waiters. What else do you see on the picture? Salaries for each employee. So these are just approximations. I'm not saying this is the actual salary of each employee. Okay? For example, the manager is earning 21,000 per month. For the chef, that's 18,000. For the 2 cashiers, that's 10,000. For the 3 waiters, that's 8,000. Okay? So the first picture tells us of a restaurant, its employees, and the monthly salaries of each employee. Okay? So that is picture number 1. Let's go to the second picture. Describe the second picture, please. Anyone? How do you describe? Yes, go on. Hello? I heard someone said, what was the UC report card? And what is in the UC report card in the picture? Name ni Juan de la Cruz and also the subjects of Juan de la Cruz and the corresponding grade. So for the math grade, that's 82. English, 80. Science, that's 85. Filipino, that's 82. Araling Panlipunan, that's 81. So the second picture talks about the grades of Juan de la Cruz in math, English, science, Filipino, and Araling Panlipunan. Let's go to the third picture. So you have there picture number 3. What have you noticed now with picture number 3? Mga shoe sizes. Correct observation. Okay, for example, I'm going to give a situation for this. So the example, this is a shoe store. And these are the shoe sizes that are sold in a specific day. Again, this is, for example, in a shoe store, a specific brand of a shoes, a specific style. And these are the number of shoe sizes nga na sold ato nga specific shoes. You have the number 8, the shoe size number 9, 7, 8, 7, 9, shoe size number 778798. So that is picture number 3. Now, we are analyzing these pictures because in the last part, we will be determining which among the 3 pictures mean, median, and mode. Now, to begin with, let's start with the mean first. So you already know that the mean is the sum of the data divided by the number of data. Just like what you do in your average grades card. For example, how do you compute your average grade in your card? Like sa third quarter, unsaon man nimo pagkuha sa average grade nimo? O pila man ka subjects tanan inyo karon? How many subjects do you have? 8 subjects. So I will be adding all the 8 grades divided by 8. That's what you call the mean. Okay? So let's have an example. 4, 1, 3, 5, 3, 2, 3. So the first step is simply sum of the values, add all the values, divided by the number of values. How many values do we have? Oh, that will be the divisor. So you have there 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 7 because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 number of values. Okay? Now, what is the sum of your numerator? How much is 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3? 21 divided by 7 is how much? That will give us a mean of 3. So this is now the mean of this data set. Okay? Let's have another example. What if you're given 352422? So the same process as example number 1. We will be adding all of them divided by 6 since there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number of data. So what's the sum of your numerator? 18 divided by 6 is how much? That will give us a mean of 3. So this is our mean. So take note, the symbol for the mean is X bar. You have a bar, a line above the X. That's what you call the mean. Okay? Let's have another one. What about this? 3524225. So adding all the numbers, how much is the divisor? How many number of data do you have? So the divisor will be 7. So adding all the numbers, how much do you get? How much is the sum of all the numbers there? 23 divided by 7 is how much? Round off to 2 decimal places. Again, round off to 2 decimal places. So what's your answer here? Round off to 2 decimal places. What is 23 divided by 7? Section Zircon, what is 23 divided by 7? Please make use of your calculator. $3.29. So take note, ang nigawa sa calculator ana is how much? 3.285. Am I correct? This is the number niya. Napanay sumpay din ha. So we are having 2 decimal places. The next number ana is greater than or equal to 5 mo nang nag-plus 1 ko din ha. That's why it's 3.29. And this is the mean for your data set. Okay? Is everything clear about the mean? Is the mean clear? Okay, let's go to the median. The median is the middle number in the ordered set of data. Take note, ordered, meaning you need to arrange the data first. You cannot get the median without arranging the data. Let's have an example. 4, 1, 3, 5, 3, 2, 3. Oh, the first thing that you're gonna do is arrange the data either from greatest to least or least to greatest. Let's arrange this from least to greatest. What's the smallest number? 1. Sunod ni 1. 2. Next to 2. 3, 3, 3. Next to 3. 4. Next. Okay, so this will be the arrangement now. Now, how do you get the middle value? It's so simple. The first and the last number, i-pair. The second and the second to the last number, i-partner. Partner. Or the middle number is simply 3. So the median, I'm going to be using the median is equal to 3. Okay? Is this clear? Okay. So take note, if this is, you are having an odd number of data. You have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is an odd number of data. Right away, you will have the median there. Now, what if there is now an even number of data just like this? You have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is now an even number of data because you have 6 data there. Okay, next. The median, let's arrange them. So the first number is 2, 2, 2. Next is 3, 4, 5. So just like what we did a while ago, let's do the pairing. I-partner na sila. I-partner na sila. Sir, duha ka buknas tunga-tunga o get the mean ana nilang duha. So what do you do? Add 2 and 3. After adding 2 and 3, divide it by 2 all the time. And the result is 2.5. Therefore, the median is 2.5 because it's the middle number between 2 and 3. So if you will have an even number of data, you cannot have the median right away. You need to add the 2 middle numbers first, then after which, divide it by 2, and that will be your median. Is this example clear? Section Zircon, is this example clear? Okay. Okay, let's proceed now. So take note ha, arrange them first. If ever isa ra ka book value ang nastunga, oh, that's your median right away. If ever duha ka values ang naa sa center, i-add, i-divide og 2, maunay inyuhang median. Now let's proceed to the mode. The mode is the most frequent number in the set of data. Katong nagbalik-balik kadaghan, maunay gitawag nato og mode. Like for example, this one. Oh, para mas maklaro na ako ay arrange this para mas maklaro na ako ang mga nag-repeat. So I will be arranging this from least to greatest. So we have 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. So what is the most repeating number in the data? Oh, therefore, what's the mode? The mode is 3. Simple as that. Okay? Let's have more examples. We have 3, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4, 2, 2. Let's arrange the numbers first. So you have 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what's the mode here? The mode is 2 because the number 2 repeats 3 times. And if you only have one mode, you call this unimodal, meaning one mode rana siya. Okay? Let's have another example. Let's arrange the numbers. The arrangement will be 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5. So what's the mode here? 2 and 3. So you have noticed the number 2, ni-repeat thrice. The number 3, nibalik-balik, katulusad. So meaning, the mode will be 2 and 3. And this is what you call a bimodal. And this means you have 2 modes in your answer. Let's have another example. So you have this set of data. I will be arranging the numbers there. You have 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. So what is the mode in your data set? 2, 3, and 4. So take note, katulo, katulo, katulo. Therefore, the mode will be 2, 3, and 4. And this is what you call trimodal, meaning 3 modes in your data set. Let's have another one. You have this data set, and the arrangement will be 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. So what is the mode here? Section Zircon, what is the mode here now? 2, 3, 4, and 5. But my question is this. Diba the definition of the mode is the most frequently repeated number. Na di ay most frequently repeated number, ana? Wala. Kaya nga naman, patas man na silang tanan. Puros man nagbalik-balik katulo. So, unsa ito bag na ko, ana? I will not be writing 0. I will be writing no mode because it might be possible nga nakoy data nga 0. So, do not put 0 there. Instead, you put no mode at all. Nga naman, because wala may frequent number ana, most frequent. Dapat na mulabaw. If I'm gonna be adding, look at this one. If I'm gonna be adding the number 6 here, oh, what's the mode? O katong tubag ninyo ganiha. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Because 2, 3, 4, and 5, mao naman ay most frequent number. Bisag punan pa na kung usa ka number 6 din ha, since duhara na sila, it's still 2, 3, 4, and 5. Is this clear? And this is what you call a multimodal. Okay? Is the mode clear? Okay, let's have this example. 6, 7, 10, 12, 7, 15, 32, 15, 4. So how do you go about the mean? Unsa ang pag-solve si mean? How do you solve it? Add everything. And how many data do you have? There are 9. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the sum of the data? 108. What is 108 divided by 9? The mean is 12. Now, let's go at the median. So, unsay buhaton first, basta magwa sa median? I-arrange. Or arrange that. That is now 4, 6, 7, 7, 10, 12, 15, 15, 32. So, what is the median? O, atong i-partner. Partner, pair, pair. So, what's the median here? The median is the number 10. Okay? And what is the mode in your data set? 7 and 15, because 7 and 15 repeated twice. Sila'y most frequent number. So the mode is 7 and 15. Is the example clear? Okay, now let's go back to the 3 pictures. If you will try to analyze the 3 pictures, which among the 3 pictures will you apply the mean? The mean. When I say mean, it's adding all the numbers divided by the number of data. Is it picture 1, picture 2, or picture 3? Picture number 3. All the time. So take note, ani ha, when I say average grade, I am talking about the mean all the time there. Okay? So take note, when I say average grade, I pertain to the mean. So let's get the average grade. It's simply 82 plus 80 plus 85 plus 82 plus 81 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how much is the sum for the numerator? 410. Divided by 5 is how much? 82. So this is the average grade of Juan de la Cruz. And I am pertaining to the mean here. Is this clear? Okay, let's continue. What about the median? Which among the 3 pictures will you apply the median? Here's one hint aning median. When we talk about mga monthly salaries, mga monthly income, mga annual salary, mga annual income, I will be using the median there. Nganuman, kay ang salary manggod, naamanggoy mga tao nga sobra kaayo kadako ang sweldo. Naapoy mga tao nga sobra pud kagamay ang sweldo. Ang kanang mga sobra kadako og sobra kagamay nga mga numbers, mo na gitawag natog outliers. Nya kung gamitan ni nako og mean, mawa ang essence ana niya. It's not appropriate to use the mean if you have outliers. And when you're given monthly salaries, naamadyo na yung mga dago kay sweldo o gagmay kay sweldo in a company. Okay? Now, if you will try, examine sa nato, let's compute the mean first. Para atong makita, nga nganong dili man mean, sir? Nganong median man ang gamito na, nganong dili man mean? Okay, can we add all the salaries? How much is the sum of all the salaries there? $21,000 plus $18,000 plus $10,000 plus $10,000 plus $8,000 plus $8,000 plus $8,000. Divided by 7, because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How much is it? 11,857. Now, pila ka book sweldo more than 11,000? Look at duha. 1, 2. How many salaries are below 11,000? 5. Now, if I'm gonna ask you this, will it represent the central value? Gitunga niya ang mga salaries into equal groups? Wala. Nga naman, kay ang above sa mean, duha ra ka book sweldo. Ang below sa mean, ana, 5 ka book sweldo. So the mean here does not represent the central value. But if I'm gonna be asking you, what is the average salary? I'm pertaining to the median. So let's get the median. Partner. Sir, ang tunga-tunga kay 10,000 pesos. If you will try to look at the 10,000 pesos there, how many salaries are above 10,000? Tulo. How many salaries are below 10,000? Oh, meaning the average salary of the employees is 10,000 because this is the number that best represents the central value because it gitunga na niya ang sweldo into 2 groups now. You get my point, Section Zircon? That's why I am using average salary as the median here. Okay? I will not be using the mean. I will be using the median for this scenario. I hope everything is clear about this. Okay? Now let's go to the third picture. So, obviously, the third picture is the mode. Kaya if imong kuhaon ang average, ang mean ana, if you will get the mean, look at the mean, 9 decimal number ana. Yan aday shoe size nga example, 8.76. Naday shoe size nga 7.21, wala. Ang shoe sizes are whole numbers or naay half sizes. So take note of that. I will not be getting the mean here. When I say average shoe size, I'm pertaining to the mode. And what is the mode here? 7, meaning the average shoe size is the number 7. Now, if I were the store manager, I will be ordering daghan nga number 7 nga shoe size. Because the number 7 shoe size is the most saleable shoe size. Unsa may pinakagamay ana nga shoe size nga nahalin? So, mao po ni akong i-order nga gamay. Mao na yung mga technique nganong magtali-tali na sila para kabalo sila, ang saleable shoe size kay number 7. So, ang i-order sa manager, ana, ang shoe size number 7. You get the idea now? Okay, let's think of other scenarios. What if I'm gonna be asking you, you tell me how whether it's mean, median, or mode. What if I'm gonna be asking you, box office film of 2021. You know what means, what do you mean by box office nga film? Am I having the correct term? Is it box office? Section zircon? Section zircon, are you still with me? When I say box office film, what do you mean by that? Box office meaning daghan ang nananaw. Halin kay siya ba daghan popular niya daghang nananaw ana. So meaning if I'm gonna say box office film or movie, is it mean, median, or mode? It's the mode. Okay? So when I say the box office film or movie of 2021, unsa may daghan kaayong nitanawan nga movie. So I'm talking about the mode there. What are other examples sa mode nga kanang inyong ma-experience or makit-an all around you? Probably most number of likes sa Facebook. So that's the mode. Another one. Leading presidentiable. Kanang leading presidentiable, that's the mode. Diba? Kisa may pinakadaghan nga mubutar ani niya, or that's the mode. The mean, example of the mean, average weight, average height, average grade, average score. I'm talking about the mean there. When I say median, it talks about salary, income. Mao nay gitawag nato sa median.